In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Group Watch on Disney Plus. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys Group Watch, which is a new feature that Disney Plus has added where you can share your favorite movies with people, and even when like you guys are apart, you guys can still watch the movie together and interact as you guys are watching the movie. First, I'll show you how it's done on the app if you're watching it on a mobile device, and then I'll show you what it looks like whenever you're watching it on a computer or a TV. Okay, so the first thing that you'll do is you'll pick your title. You'll choose any movie or series, and then you'll tap the new Group Watch icon on the mobile app or the web. So for example, you're going to get ready to watch The Mandalorian, then you would tap that little icon there. It shows like 3 people. Second, you would gather your group. You would send an invite up to 6 family members or maybe personal friends via their icons that they have listed on here. The third thing would be to watch it together. You'll sync the streams to pause for a break or rewind for an extra laugh or without missing any type of beat or anything like that. So that's a pretty cool feature. You can watch it all together, and if somebody has to go to the bathroom, they can hit the pause button. And the fourth thing is that you can react in real time. So it's similar to like Facebook Lives, wherever you tap on certain emojis or reactions to what everybody has on the screens. Maybe there's a funny scene, you could tap on the laughing emoji. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into what it looks like if you were to watch it on a computer or a TV. Okay, so this is what it would look like on a computer or TV. This is what your menu looks like. But what we'll do is we'll go over here to Marvel, because I'm a big Marvel fan. And just say you wanted to watch the new Avengers Endgame together. You would then click on the Avengers Endgame. And then right here, you'll see the Group Watch icon. And you'll tap on that. And then right here is my icon. And if I want to invite somebody, I would then tap on this. And it brings up the Group Watch link. And then you would copy that link and then send it to somebody that you want to watch with. And then when you're getting ready to watch it, you just click on Join Stream. And then the movie will start to load up. And then as the movie is playing, you'll see over here on the top right corner, it's got how many people are watching. So right now it's just myself. But it would have the number there of how many people are watching in your group watch that you invited to the link. Down here on the bottom right corner is the emojis, where you can tap on that and kind of interact as you're watching the movie. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys in understanding what this Group Watch is all about on the Disney Plus app. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.